Good morning students, welcome to the chemistry class. Today I am going to explain you about the types of organic compounds, hydrocarbons and their classification, and homologous series and its characteristics. What are the types of organic compounds? Organic compounds are hydrocarbons, alcohol, aldehyde, carboxylic acid, ketone, ether and halide. But organic compounds are mostly the hydrocarbons and these are the derivatives of hydrocarbons. Let us see what are hydrocarbons. They are the compounds which contain carbon and hydrogen atoms only. They are the hydrocarbons. As its name is hydrocarbon, it contains hydrogen and carbon only. Classification of hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon can be classified as a open chain and a closed chain. Open chains are called aliphatic or alicyclic. Closed chains are called carbocyclic or cyclic. Further, open chain compounds are classified as saturated and unsaturated. Saturated are called alkanes, unsaturated are called alkyls and alkynes. Closed chain compounds, they are classified as alicyclic and aromatic. Further, alicyclic is classified as cycloalkanes, cycloalkenes and cycloalkynes. What are aliphatic hydrocarbons? Aliphatic hydrocarbons, initially these hydrocarbons were obtained from the fats of the animals. That's why they are called aliphatic hydrocarbons. They are the hydrocarbons which contain open chain, either a straight or branch. They are of two types, saturated and unsaturated. What are saturated hydrocarbons? They are the hydrocarbons which contain only single covalent bond between two carbon atoms. They are called alkanes, having general formula CnH2n plus 2. How to use this formula? To use this formula, we should know the naming of the integers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in chemistry. For one carbon atom, we use meth. For two carbon atom, eth. For three carbon atom, prop. For four, but and so on. Here integers 1 to show, they show the number of carbon atoms. Now we make the formula. If there is one carbon atom, then the formula becomes C1H2 into 1 plus 2. Abbreviation, it becomes CH4. As here is one carbon atom, so it is meth, and as here is single bond, so it is N. Now it becomes methane. For two carbon atoms, the formula is C2H6. Here is two carbon atoms, so it is eth, and single bond, so we use N, and its formula becomes ethane. Similarly, for three carbon atoms, it becomes propane. What are unsaturated hydrocarbons? The hydrocarbons which contain double or triple bonds between two carbon atoms are the unsaturated hydrocarbon. That means in unsaturated hydrocarbon there will be double bond or triple bond. If there is double bond between two carbon atoms, then it is called alkene and its general formula is CnH2n. Let us see in the diagram. If there is one carbon atom, then the compound is not possible because carbon and hydrogen, they will not form the double bond. For this we will take two carbon atoms. There will be double bond between two carbon atoms. Now formula becomes C2H2 into 2, that is C2H4. Its name will be, here is two carbon atom, so we will take eth, and as it is double bond, so we will take ethene. For three carbon atoms, it will be propene. For four carbon atoms, it will be butene, and so on. If there is triple bond between two carbon atoms, then it is called alkyne, and its general formula will be CnH2n minus 2. Let us see in the diagram. If there is one carbon atom, then again the compound is not possible because carbon and hydrogen will not make the triple bond. So we take two carbon atoms. If we take two carbon atom, the formula becomes C2H2 into 2 minus 2. It is C2H2. As here is two carbon atom, so it is eth, and triple bond, so it is ine. Now it becomes ethyne. For three carbon atoms, it will be propyne. For four carbon atoms, it will be butane, and so on. What are cyclic hydrocarbons? They are the hydrocarbons having closed chains or rings. They are of two types, alicyclic compounds and aromatic compounds. Let us see the alicyclic compounds. Alicyclic compounds, these are ringed carbon compounds containing three or more carbon atoms arranged in a closed structure. Let us see in the diagram. Here it is cyclopropane, as it contains three carbon atoms, and these three carbon atoms form a closed ring. So it is called cyclo. There are three carbon atoms, so it is prop, and there is single bond between carbon and carbon, so it is N. So it is called cyclopropane. For four carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3, 4, it will be cyclobutane. For 5 carbon atom, it will be cyclopentane, and they are the saturated. They are having the single covalent bond. If it is double covalent bond, if we take 6 carbon atom and there is a double bond, then it becomes cyclohexene. What are aromatic compounds? They are the closed carbon compounds containing at least one benzene ring in their molecule. Now, what is benzene ring? It is a specific type of ring structure of 6 carbon atoms. It cannot be possible less than 6 carbon atom and more than 6 carbon atom. It has only 6 carbon atom having carbon-carbon single bond, 3 single bond, and carbon-carbon 3 double bonds in alternate position. Let us see in the diagram. Here is the cage structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbon atoms, and here is one single bond between carbon-carbon atom, another single covalent bond between carbon-carbon atom, and another single bond between carbon-carbon atom, and a double bond between carbon-carbon atom, and these double bonds are in alternate position. So this is the structure of benzene, and its formula is C6H6. Another structure of benzene, this is the toluene, and this is the structure of naphthalene. Now the question is, why are aromatic compounds so called? Aromatic compounds are called aromatic. Why? In Greek, aroma stands for fragrance of sweet smell. The earlier discovered aromatic compounds had pleasant smell, so they were called aromatic. However, many aromatic compounds have unpleasant smell which are discovered now, but they retain their name aromatic compounds as usual. Let us move to the next topic, homologous series. It is a series of organic compounds having same general formula where two consecutive compounds differ by CH2 unit. Individual members of such a series are called the homologues. Let us see in the table of homologous series. Here we have taken alkanes, alkynes are missing here, alcohols and carboxylic acids. For alkanes, the general formula is CnH2n plus 2. Methane is the first member, ethane is the second member, propane third member, butane is the fourth member. If we take the difference from ethane and methane, C2H6 and CH4, we will find the difference CH2. If we find the difference between C3H8 and C2H6, we will find the difference CH2. Similarly, in alkenes, the first member is ethene, second is propene, third is butene. Here again, the difference between two consecutive alkenes are CH2. In alcohols, the first member is methanol, second is ethanol, third is propanol, fourth is butanol. Here also the difference is CH2. Let us see the characteristics of homologous series. They have same general formula. The successive compounds differ by CH2 and the molecular mass differ by 14 AMU. They show similar chemical properties. They show gradual change in the physical properties like melting point, boiling point, and density. As we move from up to down in the homologous series, their melting point will increase, their boiling point will increase. Hope the things are clear. If you find it helpful, then must like it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Have a nice study.